I think we have ourselves a big old shark. I can't tell, it's super dark out here. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want you to know this is going to be a 3-part video. I'm going to have 2 days of fishing in the same spot, and then we're going to take a trip to Anastasia Island where we're going to go visit my buddy Kaiser at his new deli. Just opened a deli right there. The food's delicious, but let's get to fishing. Running like a jack. Trying to keep it down. I think we have ourselves a big old shark. I can't tell, it's super dark out here. All right, that's what we're working with. Great. Baby little sandbar shark. Start the morning off. Great, let's get him off the hook. This is day 2, same spot. 5:40 in the morning. It is just approached extreme low tide. Got 2 rods out. I've already caught 1 sandbar shark. We're still going. We're gonna, I mean, lots of bait is moving on the surface, so things could be happening soon. Let him run. Oh yeah. Fish of the evening. Not a bad fish. There we go. Get him back. I am just fishing for anything. I really want, all right, I'm lying. I want this slam. I want this slam. Redfish, trout, flounder. So far, all I've caught was a Jack Crevalle. Jack Crevalle, man, that's pretty good. I'm still happy. Just gonna keep on going, see what we can get. We have a pretty fast incoming tide. It is a full moon, so we'll see how the bite goes. All right, so guys, I'm going even crazier this time. This time we're using 10-pound mono. 10-pound mono, going as light as I can. My leader line's 20, but this is as light as I feel comfortable going. There we go. There we go. Get a fish on. Come on. Whew. That's a nice red. There you go. Got some red fish. Oh girl, look at that baby. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful fish. It's right in the corner of the mouth too. It's perfect. I'm not keeping redfish today, so I'm not sure what the size is on this girl here. All right, there we go. We'll get this fish back. It's great. All right, that's what we come out here for, right there. Yep. stingray. See you later. Something on this one. Oh, it came off. Whew. That's twice now I've done that in the past week. Brought in somebody else's rig. Sweet. All right. I like tackle. Winning. Dang, I just cast this out too. It's running fast. Oh, man. Whew, I hit it I literally just cast that out. It hit it as soon as I dropped it in the water. I think that was a bluefish. What do we have here? Ooh. Wow. Got another flounder. All right. This guy's undersized, so we'll get him back. That's what we come out here for, right there. It was more of a let's just get out there and have fun, kind of catch some fish video. I was trying to go for this slam. We got close. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Oh, also, August 27th, it's a Saturday. Come on down to the FISHBITES trading post. I will be playing music there. We'll do some meet and greets. We'll be able to talk with you and do some stuff. Come on out. I believe there's seminars. They have people talking about inshore, offshore. There's kayak demos, and I think I'll put a link below. Let me just put a link below, and then you guys can see August 27th. It's a Saturday. I'll be there from 11 to 2:30 p.m. The thing is going till 5, and it's, I believe, hot dogs, hamburgers. Come on out. 20% off certain things. Big end of the summer sale. There's going to be like buy one get ones on things, and rods and reel combos. Come on, you can't beat it. Just come on out. You get to see me. Say what's up. What's up? Kaisers Deli. His name's Kaiser. It's here on Anastasia Island.